Notion versus OneNote. Both are digital notebooks, but in 2025, which one's actually more practical for real-world productivity? Notion is the modular all-in-one workspace. You can create notes, databases, calendars, project boards, anything. It's perfect for building systems, wikis, task managers, content planners. You get flexibility, AI tools, and cloud sync across devices. But with great power comes setup time. It's powerful, but not always plug and play. OneNote, on the other hand, is fast, familiar, and built for simplicity. It syncs with Microsoft 365, supports handwritten notes, and feels like a real notebook, perfect for students, meetings, and casual journaling. Organization is done with notebooks, sections, and pages, no need to build a system from scratch. Here's the takeaway. Notion is better if you want full control and structure. OneNote is better if you want quick, free-form note-taking that works out of the box. So in 2025, Notion wins for system builders and power users. But for everyday practicality, speed, and traditional note-taking, OneNote is still the go-to.